Assalamualaikum and hi. For complete our group assignment for subject STA 416, my group and I want to present about our dataset project. The theme of this project is Descriptive Statistic General Outline. The statistic that our team has been researched is healthcare insurance and dataset. Before our group start this presentation, may I introduce about our team members. The first person is me, Muhammad Dani from Bizaili, and my student ID is 2023-674 and 672.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan bin Idris. My matric number is 20234151002.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Fakri bin Hasbuddin. Student number 2023449372.
My name is Muhammad Shazam bin Shukri and my matrix number is 2023415148.
Alright, we start with topic introduction. An healthcare insurance dataset usually refers to the dataset that contains information on the relationship between personal attributes such as age, gender, BMI, family size, smoking habits, geographic factors, and their impact on medical insurance charges. It can be used to study how these features influence insurance costs and develop predictive model for estimating healthcare expense. Next, the objective of the study. The first one is healthcare insurance datasets are obtained by analyzing descriptive statistic datasets. Second, to measure central tendency of the data. And third is to define the shape of the distribution about healthcare insurance dataset. Alright, the next is problem statement. This study involves a few factors such as client age, client sex, client BMI, number of children, do they smoke, the region they're from, and insurance charges. From this research, we can discover similar trends among the research data such as BMI throughout the age groups. In addition, we will also investigate how the health state of the customer may affect the insurance charges. As you can see right here, this is a quote or letter from Ray A in 3rd February 2024. He says that opting for a healthier lifestyle can result in decreasing premiums for healthcare insurance.
Next, we move to the methodology. Right here, we have the table that describes the variable name, type of variable, analysis, and measurement scale. First, we have age. The variable type is quantitative. We analyze it using mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and skewness. The scale is ratio. Second is gender. The variable type is qualitative. We analyze it using pie chart. The scale is nominal. Third is BMI. The variable type is quantitative. We analyze it using mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance. The scale is interval. Fourth is region. The variable type is quantitative. We analyze it using bar chart. The scale is nominal. And last one is smoker. The variable type is qualitative. We analyze it using pie chart to find the percentage of people who smoke and who don't. The scale is also nominal. Sampling technique. The sampling technique that our group use is simple random sampling. Every client in our dataset have an equal opportunity to be selected, and this can be done as each client are chosen randomly. The population size is 1,338 clients who bought the healthcare insurance from different region and age. As for the sample size, we selected about 150 clients from the dataset. Qualitative. Here are the pie chart and bar chart that we made out of dataset. The first pie chart is used to calculate the percentage of gender. Based on the pie chart, we indicate that 51% clients are women and 49% are men. The most people who purchase the insurance are women, with 77 people out of 150, and the rest are men. Same goes with second pie chart. Based on the pie chart, we can see the percentage of clients who smoke and who don't. Around 25% clients are a smoker and 75% clients are not. Last, we have the bar chart that shows the data of clients who bought the insurance from different regions. Based on the bar chart, 66 clients can be seen are from Southwest, 39 clients are from East-West, 42 clients from Northwest, and the rest are from Northeast.
So for the group data calculation, from our data statistics, we have chosen age to calculate the group data. So first of all, from our calculation, we have discovered that the mean of our group data is 38.22. So we can summarize that the average age of client that buys insurance is 38 years old. Then the median that we have calculated, we will get 35.8333, which we can conclude that the middle age that frequently buys our insurance is 35 years old. And finally, mode, which is the most frequent age group. The most frequent age to buy the insurance is 21 years old of age. So, but if we calculate the standard deviation of data, which is 14.7517, and the variance is 217.6123, which we can use the standard deviation and the mean to discover the skewness of the data, which we will discover which the data is positive, thus leading our data to be skewed to the right or positively skewed. Okay, for our second calculation, which is the ungrouped data, we have chosen to calculate the ungrouped data of the BMI of clients that apply for our health insurance. So from all the data, we can discover that the mean calculated is 7293, I'm sorry. Which we can find out that the average BMI of all the clients, all 150 clients that we have analyzed, is 30.7293, and then the median of said group ungrouped data is 30.305, which we can tell that half of our group is above that BMI, while the other half is under that BMI. And for the most frequent BMI that has appeared in our statistic data, or its mode, is 30.8. So with all of those calculations, we can also calculate and discover that the standard deviation is 63865 and the variance is 40.7874. With both standard deviation and variance, we can also discover the skewness of the data, which is to be negative 0.0111 to be exact, which when drawn into a bell-shaped curve will be skewed to the left or negatively skewed. So with all this data, the central tendency that best describe this data is the mode, because from the mode 30.8, we discovered that most of the clients that apply for the healthcare insurance has obesity.
So, our study shows that individual differences are the main reason why they purchase the healthcare insurance. This can be shown as some of them may have health issues. Individuals with pre-existing health conditions or those who perceive themselves as being at higher risk for medical issues may be more inclined to purchase healthcare insurance to mitigate potential financial burdens associated with medical treatments. Personal income, assets, and overall financial stability can greatly impact the decision to purchase healthcare insurance. Those with higher incomes or greater financial resources may be more likely to afford insurance premiums and choose to purchase coverage. Some individuals may have a lower tolerance for financial risk and prefer to have security of healthcare insurance coverage, even if they perceive themselves to be relatively healthy. Others may have a higher risk tolerance and choose to forego insurance if they believe they can handle potential medical expenses out of pocket. The perceived value of healthcare insurance can vary greatly among individuals based on their beliefs, experiences, and perhaps cultural background. Factors such as trust in the healthcare system, belief in the effectiveness of insurance coverage, and attitudes towards risk can influence whether an individual sees the benefits of purchasing insurance. Overall, the decision to purchase healthcare insurance reflects a complete interplay of factors including perceived risk, financial considerations, access to the care, and regulatory compliance. Understanding these motivations can inform policy decisions, healthcare provision strategies, and efforts to improve healthcare access and affordability.